Bad credit repair, as soon as possible, the real timeline. All right, here we go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we are breaking down the one thing stopping your progress in your credit journey, your credit score. Now, I know what you are thinking. My credit's already destroyed. I made some late payments. It's over. But here is the truth that banks don't want you to know. Your credit score is not permanent. It's not a report card on your character. It's a number, and numbers can be fixed. So let's talk about what actually matters. Your credit score is built on 5 things. Payment history is 35%. That's the biggest piece. Then you have got amounts owed, which is 30%. Length of credit history, 10%. Credit mix, 10%. And new credit inquiries, 15%. Now here's the thing, if you have had some late payments, yeah, that hits your payment history. But hear what the banks won't tell you. A late payment from 2 years ago hurts you way less than a late payment from 2 months ago. Time heals credit wounds. Let me show you the math. A 30-day late payment tanks your score immediately. We're talking 50 to 100 points gone. It's brutal. But here where it gets good. After 6 months, that impact starts to fade. After a year, it's cut in half. After 2 years, it's barely a whisper. After 7 years, it falls off your report entirely. You're not ruined forever, you're on a timeline to recovery. Now let's talk about what you can actually do right now. First, stop making more late payments. Seriously, that's step 1. If you are behind on something, call them. Set up a payment plan. Creditors would rather work with you than send you to collections. Second, get your credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Check it for errors. And there, a decent chance there are errors. If you find something wrong, dispute it. The bureaus have to investigate within 30 days. You'd be shocked how many errors just disappear when you challenge them. Third, if you got credit cards, start paying them down. Your credit utilization ratio matters. If you are maxing out your cards, your score suffers. Try to get below 30% utilization. If you got a $2,000 limit, keep your balance under $600. That one move can bump your score 30 to 50 points. Fourth, don't close old credit cards. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but closing cards actually hurts your score because it lowers your total available credit and messes with your utilization ratio. Keep them open, use them occasionally, pay them off. Fifth, build some positive history. If you don't have any credit, get a secured credit card. You put down a deposit. You get a card with that deposit as your limit. You use it responsibly. You pay it off every month. After 6 to 12 months, you have built enough history to graduate to a regular card. It works. Here's the real talk though. If you're starting from a 500 credit score, you are not going to hit 700 overnight. But you can do it in a year, 2 years max if you are disciplined. And here's why that matters. When your score hits 650, you can start getting better interest rates. When it hits 700, doors open. You can get credit cards with decent terms. You can refinance debt. You can actually use leverage instead of fighting it. And that's the game changer. Most people think debt is the enemy. It's not. Bad debt is the enemy. Good debt, strategic debt, that's leverage. That's how wealthy people build wealth. They use other people's money to make moves, but you can't access that until your credit's right. So that's your first mission. Fix the credit, build the score, open the doors. So here's your action plan. 1. Go to annualcreditreport.com right now. Get your reports. Check for errors. Dispute anything that's wrong. 2. Call any creditors you are behind on. Work out a payment plan. 3. If you have got cards, start paying them down. Get below 30% utilization. 4. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date again. 5. If you don't have credit, get a secured card and start building. 6. Come back here next week because we are going to talk about the next level, strategic debt and how to use it to build real wealth. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more content on building wealth from the ground up. Drop a comment and let me know where you are starting from and what your credit goal is. I read every comment, and hey, if you care serious about this, check the description for the link to my free credit repair guide. It's got the exact timeline and the exact steps I just walked you through. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one.